Well, today there's no wind. I'll fix these elements on in a minute. Just a bit more detail of the construction. There's the Shelley bracket, the 1¼ inch pipe that it's attached to. It's like mild steel but lightweight. The elements, as you can see, it's sturdy as anything. But the feed point is there. I have a beaded RF truck coming from there. That's ready to go. So I think we'll fix these elements and see what it's like and do some analysing. That's it, ready to mount. Just add the coax. Each lobe's exactly 5 meters. I'm not sure what that will give us in frequency. I reckon 14,150 or maybe it's 14,200. We'll see. Sharp adjusted. That does make life a lot easier for putting it on. What I'm going to do is just tilt it up into that hole handy, clamp it to the top, and then go from there. And that's it up. Just ready to push it up. Took us about 5 minutes from takedown to put up. That's the size I'm there at. That's about 8 meters high. That's the size out there because I marked the poles with black marker and I'm not going past the points. Each pole is about 8 foot high. So it doesn't look as high up because the actual dipole is so massive. But if you look at the step ladders at the bottom, they look tiny. Right, that's the analyzer connected to the switch box. Top one is the dipole, and that one is my quarter-wave monoband vertical, both for 20 meters. I've had great results on the monoband vertical, but I'm having good results now, better results than when it was windy. I don't know if the wind's affecting like the noise and that, but it's definitely working better. It's only about 12 feet up at this minute. I just wanted to test the analysis. So that's like a 2 all the way through the band on the vertical without radials. That's just the vertical itself. And click up. That's the dipole from 14 megahertz dead up to 14.5. Completely tuned the whole band. No need for an ATU. I think I'll break out the FT891 and have a play with that today. But at the minute there's nothing on 20 meters, so I can't give you signals and analysis. So I'll take this VNA off. We'll have a look at the SDR. So this is the SDR. This is my vertical. Couple of weak signals. Bearing in mind this dipole is only 12 feet up at the minute. That's the vertical, and we'll click to the dipole, CB dipole. Look at that. We'll go to the FT8 section. That's the vertical, and that's the dipole, and that's at 12 feet. Can you believe that? That's the vertical. That's the dipole. Didn't see as much change there, but if you look at the white line there, it's more condensed. Vertical. Very quiet as well, as you can see on the spectrum. There's no noise. For some reason I can't use balance at my QDH. It's picking something up local. Right, that's on the vertical. Click it to the dipole. Much cleaner, crisp signal. Right, I think we'll give it some height and have a go. Some more action on 20 there. It's about 5 minutes later. Signals there. That's a vertical. There's a dipole. You can see the lines are more dense. Vertical. Dipole. Vertical, nothing. Dipole, that's 4 signals I would have ignored there. Vertical, dipole. Okay, final analysis. We're on, that is the vertical. We'll go to that signal there. He's gone. Right, FT8, that's going all the time. So that's the vertical, and that's the dipole. Absolute massive difference on there. I'm also picking audio along the, there's a signal I wasn't getting with the vertical. That's the vertical. I'm liking the fact there's no noise. Right, there's FT8. It's nearly 4 points at. Each bar's 2. Vertical. You'll see the noise come on. A little bit more noise. Dipole. Hey, that's spiking massive now. Vertical. And dipole. There's another signal. That's the dipole picking them up. Nothing on the vertical. Dipole.